Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Credit assessment, as we all know, is the cornerstone of any credit policy. A credit analyst uses a variety of data from a variety of sources to analyze a customer's financial performance and determine the level of risk associated with them. In order to perform these tasks effectively, they are required to set up a proper assessment process beforehand. However, the real challenge lies in organizing and prioritizing customer information for an effective credit evaluation process. Oracle's credit management system moves past this by providing different credit review tools, one of which we are going to discuss in this video. First, I'm going to help you understand Oracle's credit checklist and how you can use that to simplify the credit evaluation process by prioritizing various customer information. Next, we are going to discuss the various steps involved in defining and setting up a credit checklist in the Oracle application. So, let's begin. Before we jump on the credit checklist, we will need to understand a couple of terminologies. Firstly, what is a credit data point? A credit data point is a single piece of credit information, such as the number of late payments, days sales outstanding, or other financial data that could be used to analyze a customer's credit worthiness. Credit management pulls various credit data points from a multitude of sources that include seeded, D&B, and user-defined data points. Seeded data points are the predefined data points in the Oracle application. It provides almost 200 data points that you can include in credit reviews. These data points are pulled from other applications in the e-business suite, such as Oracle Receivables and Oracle Order Management. You could also purchase credit information from Dun & Bradstreet and include D&B data points in credit reviews. Apart from that, you could include user-defined data points from outside the e-business suite, such as credit bureaus that are not currently integrated with Oracle's credit management system. Secondly, what is a case folder? A case folder is an electronic representation of a hard copy credit file. The case folder is used as a central repository for collecting, viewing, and analyzing credit data. You could manually create a case folder, or you could leave it on your system to create for you after you submit a credit application. Now, let's understand what a credit checklist is. In Oracle Credit Management, you document your enterprise's credit policies via user-defined credit checklists. Using various checklists, you manage the credit analysis process by defining the required and optional data points that are included in the credit review. Checklists are typically used in crafting credit application and credit evaluation. It determines which fields are required on the application and also identifies what data should be automatically collected and displayed in the case folder during credit analysis.